Why, hello everybody. I know, 2 videos in one day. That's 3 this week. I'm on a roll. So I'm about to go into the rainforest and I'm just kind of chilling because I'm just strolling around, chilling. I'm excited to go in there, but it's gonna be hot. It's not like it's any different here. It's July in Texas. It's hot regardless. Sorry for the inconsistent lighting. There's a bird! Squirrel! He was talking to me the other day. Let's see if the other one talks. There's an annoying cockatoo over here. Well, there's monkeys in there, but I don't see any. Huh. Oh, there he is. Squaw! Squaw! He hates me. To the rainforest. Frogs. And there's my white-lined gecko somewhere. He's way up there. Oh, I'm saving up for one of those. It's a white-lined gecko. There's one for $100 at my local pet store, and I'm so excited. Also, I had to chug my icy before coming in, and I have a brain freeze. Can you see that frog? He looks angry. Just like me. Oh, there's a giant day gecko in there. Bam. Hey look, it's my best friend. I'm just kidding, Fiona, you know I love you. There's otters. Giant river otters. And they have like this really cool playpen. But they just chill in the corner. It's hot in here, just like I guess. But it's also just beautiful. I found the air conditioning. That blue pyramid over there, that's the aquarium. Coconuts. I just ran into something. Oof. I'm clumsy. Oh well. Don't you just love the sound of birds screaming? Okay, so yesterday on my walk through here, I got like super close to the monkey. It was really cool. She was right over here actually too. I love this place. I love plants and animals, and this place has both. It's got birds and fish and monkeys. I love it.
Those are called Rodriguez fruit bats.
Oh, cool.
They're the second largest bats in the world.
Behind the foxtail one, right? There they are.
Those two are called white-faced sake monkeys. The one with the colored face is a male and the one without is a female.
All right. They just chillin'. They big chillin'. You can see the bats better over here. Okay, so yeah. This is the best place ever. I can't stop looking around. I can't even focus on the camera. I love it here. It's just amazing. Alright, I'm gonna keep moving on. I'm getting too distracted. Let's go into the cloud forest. Gotta adjust the lighting. There, awesome. It's not working. Oh well. Now that we're in here, it's better. There's that snake. It's been there past 3 days in a row.
Oh, right there.
I love chameleons. They're silly little things. Focus. Oh well, it's not working. There we go. Two snakes all cuddled up together. It's me and Fiona. God, it's prehensile tail porcupines! And they're moving and they're adorable. Oh, look at him go. He's my big boy. And then there's another one back there. He's my big boy. That tarantula's been busy. Can I see him in there? Nope, I can't see him at all. Oh well. And then there's the Asian forest scorpion somewhere in there. Oh my god, it's Sammy! It's my little Sammy. I miss my little Sammy. Oh my god. I just remembered, I haven't told you guys about Sammy. That's a video for when I get home. What kind of exotic species is that? He's beautiful.
The largest species of fish. When they didn't want to walk around it, you can move aside.
Alright.
It's perfectly fine. Most of our birds, right to your left is our doves. They're perfectly fine with people. They'll just walk away if we get too close.
Alright. I remember when I was younger, I would always go to the zoo. And I'd always beg my mom to get me a Komodo dragon. I still want one. Hi there, little fella. What's up? It's a what?
It's a wood partridge.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise known as a rowrock.
I saw a sign. Whoa.
Those are violaceous dropper.
Alright.
She flew a little close, but you know. Yeah, most people get freaked out when they hear because they think that there's all roaming hoppers.
Fishy, fishy. I still want fishy from the aquarium. Whoa. Hi there, big boy. Hi. What's up? Oh, you're posing, aren't you? You're posing. Someone's model ready. Wish I was. There's another one. That one's just chilling. Bird. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, you got red beaks. That's cool. You guys are so big. I love it. Big boys. Okay, so I was calling those birds big boys and this lady walked by and laughed at me. Oof. But they are big boys and I love them. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi. You're pretty. You're a pretty bird. I like your blue hair. And your red shoes. Real styling. Ooh, lovely. Two hyacinths sitting in a tree. Grooming. Took me a while to figure out how to spell grooming. Then there's those two. Someone's giving someone the cold shoulder. And then there's me. Okay, so I saw those guys and got so inspired. And I decided to draw one. Uncanny. I'm a true artist, I know. Also, some guy just asked if I was doing a vlog and it was the weirdest thing ever. Boys. Love big fish. Also, turtles.
You're okay.
And the same bird. Hi! The red one. There's a turtle down there. There's a turtle! I am just like these dots. Tiny, fuzzy, easily startled. They're me. Okay, so I looked through this entire enclosure. I was like, where could he be? He's blending in. Sneaky boy. Hey, Ibis. Something. I can spell it. That's all that matters. You got long beaks. Oh, what scared you? Hi. I see no difference between this and a Chihuahua. It's small and I want one. Hi. Apparently I can't speak bird. I can try though. Can't whistle, but I can do a pretty damn good pigeon impression. Look at all them chrysalises. Chrysali. Chrysalis? What's the plural for chrysalis? Chrysali. It's some sailfins. Again, I want. Hi there, baby. I'm in love. I need one. I need one. He's so cute. Where can I get one? What is this? I don't know. He's adorable. I want one. Please, someone buy me this. He's so cute. Hi. Good boy. I love him. Oh, baby. He's a baby. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Also, the snake I want is called a Bushmaster. Please and thank you. Bye guys.